Okay, so now members are going to see how do we handle if they give us lines of reflection in our questions. How do we generate the matrix of reflection? We have seen those ones in the previous lesson. Now, let us see how do we apply the matrices of reflection in these questions. You need to know them in your head, or you've seen how to derive them, you just quote them. You don't need to derive. Or if maybe you are forgetting how they are, you derive them sideways. So, this one, a triangle ABC with vertices A01, B, C was reflected in the y-axis. If they tell us y-axis, you just know that y-axis, we say it's the same as x is equal to 0. So now we can develop this matrix to form A prime, B prime, C prime. Find the coordinates of A prime, B prime, and C prime. We saw that y-axis x is equal to 0, its matrix of reflection was 1, negative 1, 0, 0, 1. This was the matrix of reflection for this. The same y-axis, the same as x is equal to 0. So now this one is the matrix we are going to use to transform now ABC. Remember that our matrix of transformation times the object is equal to the image. Our matrix M is there already, so it's going to be negative 1, 0, 1, then times A, then B, and C there. So our A, we just convert them to form vectors, to form form, then 2, 1, we get the apportion vectors, then 3, 4. Then if we multiply these ones, we get our A prime, B prime, and C prime as so. So I told you that the moment that you have a 0 in your work is simplified. This negative is going to multiply this. Remember, this 0 is going to multiplying this down as then. So this one is okay because it's going to multiply all these ones to 0. So all you do is just get this to multiply out there. That is the easy technique I told you. So you get this times this, you get 0. This times this, you get negative 2. This times this, you get negative 3. Then, because whenever you say this one is going to be 0, so don't waste time there. Whenever you have a 0 in your row, multiplication has been simplified. Even here we have a 0, but this 0 is multiplying the first. So 0 times this will be 0, 0 times this is 0, 0 times this 0. So there the first time, just get this one, multiply it here. To be now 1, 1, 4 with ease, and you will be through. So now let's start now our A prime, which is 0, 1. Our B prime is negative 2, 1. And our C prime is negative 3, 4. And you have all your 4 marks. You give them as coordinates because the question is asking for coordinates. Leave them here, you don't get all the marks. Then from here, we start our solution. They are telling us that triangle PQR with the vertices was reflected in the line y equal to x. The line y is equal to x. You know that is the same line as y minus x equal to 0. And we say the matrix for this line is M equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. This was our matrix for y equal to x. You need to be knowing them. If you don't know them, I showed you how to apply them. So now I put my formula, M times O is equal to I. Then come for our matrix 0, 1, 1, 0. Then the object is going to be P, Q, R. Convert them to coordinates, to column coordinates. Then negative 1, then negative 2, 2. Then we multiply this, we shall get our P prime, Q prime, R prime. Let us see. So now we have a 0, you smile. Because this is 0, now this is the first 0, it's going to say 0 times this. So that this 0 is going to multiply all this to 0. All you do, instead of saying 0 times this plus this times this, all you do, just let this multiply this one. So there will be the upper coordinates. So you get this 1 times this, you get negative 1, then this times this, negative 2. Because this one is going to push these ones to 0. When I come to this, now step our 0 is in the second, meaning it's going to multiply all the ones in the second row to 0. So this times this is going to be giving us variable. This times this one, 0. So all you do, get this times this, negative 3. This times this, negative 1. This times this, negative 2. So you'll be done. So our B prime now, you give the coordinates, negative 1, negative 3. Our Q prime, negative 1, negative 1. Then our R prime is 2, negative 2. Here, you saw that this one, it means that this one was going to multiply all entries in the second row to 0. This one now we just multiply it here. As simple as that. So then you underline these are your coordinates. When I come to this one, a rectangle ABC with vertices A, B, C, and D was reflected in the line y plus x equaling 0 to form A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Find the coordinates of A, B, C. A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So it said in our solution, if you have y plus x is equal to 0, they are just hiding a line. This is the same as y is equaling to negative x. And we said if you have this line, now our matrix of transformation becomes 0, negative 1, negative 1, 0. If you have y is equal to negative, the ones in the minor are going to be negatives. If you have this as a positive, the one in the minor are going to be positive. These are just 0. Or the major, for these two lines, the major is having 0, 0 entries. Then the minor is having 1, 1. If it's positive, then if it's negative x, it has negative, negative. It's as simple as that. Then you put your formula that m times O, you get the image coordinates. So our m there is 0, negative 1, 0. Then times A, B, C, and D. These are going to be our coordinates. So A is 1, 1. B is 4, 1. C is 4, 3. Then D is 1, 3. Then when we multiply these ones, we shall get our A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime is. How do you multiply? It's that the first now in this one, the first entry is 0, meaning it's going to multiply all the entries in the first row to 0. So it's going to multiply all these entries to 0. What you do? You get this times this. As simple as that. Because this one is going to multiply all these ones to 0. So this one, the one which is multiplying this one. So just get this, multiply these ones. You'll be adding this times this, negative 1. This times this, negative 1. This times this, negative 3. And this times this, negative 3. When you come to this one, there's a 0 now, this 0 is going to multiply everything here. As that a 0 is the second, meaning it's going to multiply all entries in the second column. I mean the second row, 0. So this one is going to multiply only the first. Now this one is all will be 0. This multiplies there. So don't waste time there. Just take this times all these entries. So this times this, negative 1. This times this, negative 4. This times this, negative 4. This times this, negative 1. And you are through without wasting time. So your M prime is negative 1, negative 1. Your B prime is negative 1, negative 4. Then your C prime, negative 3, negative 4. We are converting these coordinates just. Then the D prime is negative 3, negative 1. And so you are through with that. That's it, members. I wish you the best.